Learning from place must be a key element of the experience if a STEM program is to be effectively tailored to fit Native American views, grasping and mastering indigenous scientific knowledge and procedures requires an understanding of what place means from an indigenous perspective. Place, or a feeling of place, also refers to the ideas, memories, histories, emotions, relationships, identities, and artifacts that are associated with a certain physical space. In this NSF test project, we developed a place-based STEM curriculum for Native American middle school students in after-school environments through the use of technologies such as virtual reality, augmented reality, and 3D printing. 3 Native American tribes in Oklahoma were selected for this project. In the summer, through an after-school educator workshop, we discussed the project and obtained permission from the educators and elders of the tribes for using certain Native concepts and stories in our educational program. During the workshop, we discussed creating 3D models of one of the mounds at Spiral Mounds, which is the only prehistoric American Indian archaeological site in Oklahoma open to the public. Various artifacts brought from different areas by different tribes were ceremoniously entombed within these mounds. Together with the educators, we created the 3D model of the structure of the mound and developed modules for the after-school workshops. We developed 7 modules using the prophecy of the 7 fires as a framework. Each module focused on the students' cultural context and how that could be used to inform them about STEM curricula and STEM professions through technologies such as virtual reality, augmented reality, and 3D printing. The 7th module was developed as a mini hackathon project where students worked on changing their current after-school setting, thinking back at the different concepts discussed in the previous modules. For example, in the 2nd module, or the 2nd fire in the 7 fires story, talks about how to move forward into the future after moving away from their home but still embody their traditional ways. So students develop and design their own dorm room, which can be thought of as the beginning point of their future careers within a university environment, and use VR to immerse themselves in the space. The 4th module, or 4th fire, talks about how new knowledge can come in different forms, and how this new knowledge can be used to strengthen their nation, which in this module is introduced as 3D printing. Students learn about electricity and develop light fixtures and 3D print them. In the 6th module, or 6th fire, as per the 7 fires story, talks about the effect of turning away from elders and their teachings, and through this module students learn about empathic design and about designing for older adults and individuals with disabilities using mini-GERT suits or gerontological suits and virtual reality.